Hi everyone, I am going to do for you today a very quick bold eye. I'm going to use a red and a purple, which sounds a bit strange, but it can look really gorgeous done well. So I'm going to just show you how to do it. The Fenty Pro Fit matte, I don't need a powder. It sets really well and you don't actually need that much. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. Exhibit A by Nars, actually a blusher. I'm going to use it, double it up and use it as an eyeshadow, as my base colour. Make sure you pull your eye torn and pat the colour on so it doesn't drop. You can always do the eyes first if you're nervous about messing up the base. I do that quite a lot. In this palette by Zuku, it's Designing Colours 06. Just going to soften the look up with this quite iridescent pinky purpley colour. Just going to keep it in the corners. You definitely, with this colour, you need to back it up with a lot of black, I think, and dark brown. So I'm going to start shading the outer corner now, and obviously add loads of mascara, eyeliner underneath. Costa Rica, it's a gorgeous brown from MAC, Smoulder from MAC. Get my little triangle at the corner of my eye. I've got my shape, I'm just going to blend it all together. Using the brown to go in my inner corner just so I don't close up my eye too much. Just keeps it a little bit lighter. Blending brush, it's from Nars, really love. It's got a cool shape on it, so it's really nice for the sockets. Add a little brown. Just keep blending really until you're happy with the shape. It'll make more sense when you put your mascara on as well. Got my MAC mascara today. Want some really bold lashes with this. This would look really good with false eyelashes as well. L'Oreal Brow Artist. Zuku Brow Pen. lovely and fine, really natural looking, just to fill little gaps. Might elongate just a little bit. I'm going to add some of the Zuku iridescent pinky purple red, let me say, under the eyes. I'm just going to add that under the eyes. I'm going to keep my cheeks pretty neutral using this Naturally Flawless eye MAC. Lips, I'll go pretty nude. Got this Victoria's Secret Velvet Nude line. I'm just going to use that all over the lips. So I've put that all over my lip, that's pretty cute. And I'm going to give myself a bit of a shine with Pawpaw. It's got a red tint to it, this one as well. Not so scary after all. There's my super quick red eyeshadow look for you. I hope you like it. If you do, please comment and like and subscribe and share. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye.